Hey there YouTube, today is Thursday, the 15th day of February 2024. We're up to 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to take you on a little house tour of some of these houses at Galveston. I am on 25th Street and I just want to bring some of these really nice houses that they have. So there you can see this one. People working on that one back there. And here's the third one I want to bring you. So, like I said, we're on 25th Street, walking along. I want you to see these things. Alright, so we'll continue in a minute. Alright, and here's the next house on the tour. And you can see it's got a little porch on the front. It's got a balcony up there at the top. It's got a really nice color to it. I like that. This one here's a brick one. I've got a feeling it's probably been made into apartments, kind of looks like. So it's kind of dark, as you can tell here. Got a nice tree over there in the yard though, I do like that. So that's that one. Alright, let's keep on going. Right here you can see that sign there says Avenue M and Rosenberg Avenue, which also says 25th Street. And on the map that's what this is known as. And so it's got some columns on it. It's got a lower and upper porch. It's going to be hard to capture through these trees. Alright, go ahead and pause this and you can read all about this house here. And just to show you, then I'll back up and show you the house itself. Try not to run out too much sidewalk here. Let me get over here and I'll get in the middle and show it to you that way. Very nice house, right? I like it. And then you see this one here. It's got a nice color. Got two porches. Very nice place. Houses are so tall and the sidewalk ain't all that wide. But there's a good shot of the place. Okay, so here's the next house that's to that. You see this one's got two full porches. And up at the top and the bottom, they're both wraparound, so two-sided, top and bottom. Beautiful, beautiful place. Definitely like it a lot. See, there's a little place back there. Guess it's astroturf there because that's awful green. But you see this special grass right there, just so you know. But see, look at this house here. This one to me is beautiful. I love that color. A lot of people probably think that's too loud, but honestly, not me. I'm not one of those people. In fact, when we had our house in Colorado and we painted it yellow, this was the color yellow came out. It faded over time, but wow. I mean, look at the details up there at the very top. Two porches. They're only half porches, but you know, still, it's got a lot of charm, a lot of coolness about it. I like this one. Okay, so this next house here, this is definitely different, kind of a different color. It's sort of a craftsman style, but it's not totally a craftsman either. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you, of how to classify this one. It's got a nice porch across the front of it. That's obviously a very nice feature for me, so I've always liked that. And in this house here next to it, this is a big one. Got a nice magnolia tree. Got a nice smaller porch on it. And an upper porch as well. Those are very pretty. So yeah, so I definitely like this one. Alright, this big white one here is the next on the tour. You can see it's got full porches, front and, top and bottom. And big shutters on it. And got that nice little feature all the way up there with that window and those little shutters. So I definitely like this one. Got a nice white picket fence here. So the whole thing is just set off. This one here, the shutters are kind of loose on it. And so it's kind of a different house. I got a nice little archway to go in to it this way. That's kind of nice. So I'm just not sure about those shutters, but other than that, not a bad little house. Alright, so this house beside that one, you can see it's pretty tall. Got a little balcony up at the top, small porch on the bottom. Good color. Got those fish scales up there at the very top. And they even got a tree stump you see in their yard. And it's got, it says Enchanted Garden. Oh, look at the things on the stump. Then look at the great big fat bullfrog right down there. And this is a big hare, a big bunny. So pretty cool. This house here, it needs definitely a coating of paint on it. So it could use a little bit of love for it. But this one next to it, you can definitely see it's got the upper and lower porch again, which is just my favorite standout feature that I really love, and makes these really nice. The house next to it is a little bit worn out, but this is the one to concentrate on. All right, so this house here, you see it's got the two porches, top and bottom, and it's got a really nice color. I do enjoy that. And then it's got this too. So this is not bad. All right, so we're going to be walking down the street for a little ways before we get any more. All right, so I've gotten up to my next house, and look at this thing. It is so big. I've got to take it to you this way. Got the nice porch upstairs. Got this one downstairs. You've got what looks like a little bit of a third story up there. Got a very bright orange door. And this garage. Yeah, I think the garage belongs to it. Big garage, and places to stay there obviously as well. All right, so here you see the next house. As I'm walking, it's got a really nice porch on it. It says Collier above the door up there. Got this nice, well, it looks like a live oak to me. I think is what tree that is. But very nice place. This is the next house, kind of a dark house. It's a brick house, you can see. Got some shutters up at the top that are all open. Got the porch on the bottom. Then we got this greenhouse here. That's I could use a little bit of paint. Got these great big bushes you can see, and just that. So we won't worry about that. All right, here's the next house. This is right in line, and again, if you've been paying attention, yellow is my favorite color. So this one I'm obviously attracted to. I like the way it looks. Got a nice porch. Says the Villa on 25th. It's probably a B&B. Got a couple porch swings on it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, this house here is so big I've had to come across the street in order to capture it. So there's trolley tracks right here, and I got a trolley coming right at me. So just wanted to show this thing to you. We've got a little garage here, and there's several garages on the other side. So pretty big. Here, there's the trolley going right there. Interesting. Okay, so here you can see this whole house. Very nice house. Big wraparound porch up there at the top. Ain't that pretty? Wraparound porch even down here at the bottom a little bit. So I definitely like that. That's very nice. All right, so here's our next house. You can see it's a big tall one. Porch in the top and on the bottom. And kind of an old style house. I like all the work around the porches and stuff. So it's very nice. Got a good palm tree there, and some more on the side. All right, let's keep on going. All right, here is definitely a different house and a cool house at the same time. Look at the roof up there. It's got a tile roof on it. It's got that archway right there that you can walk through. And then look at this front over here. Just want to show this to you. Got a sun porch there. That's just a tiny stoop. And then there's that. And a couple bulldogs there to guard it. So, very nice little house. Okay, now check out this place here. Look at the shape of this. I mean, this is just cool. It's got a little porch up there, a doorway there. Look at this nice rounded feature here. Just walk by this. Is that not different? And very nice all at the same time? I think it is. So very cool place. Got a little sitting area back there for the driveway. And you can see this house here. Nice big 2-story. Got a biplane up there in the air. See 2 porches, of course, again. Which, of course, is always my favorite. Got a magnolia tree here on the corner. And that's a wraparound porch. Looks like top and bottom. Very nice. Alright. Okay, I want to show you a video of this house, but I'm right next to the street. And it's this big. I got to go up and down like this to show you the whole thing. But I'm guessing this is probably a rental. I know a lot of these are like short-term rentals. Beautiful color house. So I definitely like that. And of course the 2 porches, obviously, you know, is my big thing. Now here is the next one. And I'll show you something special about this one here. It's not just special that it's got 2 porches, of course. See, it's a pretty tall house here on this corner. But this particular house is right here. This is Avenue Q1/2, it says. Right over there's a Chick-fil-A. But that's the Pleasure Pier right in front of us. So if you've seen my video of the Pleasure Pier that I shot, well, right here it is from up on the ground. So that's what makes this house pretty cool. And look over here in this parking lot. Look at all of these palm trees there. Pretty wild, huh? Alright, let's keep going and see what we can get.